Mark Cuban revealed secret strategy investing in XRP. XRP to $75,000. In April, XRP Ledger version 1.9.0 was released, which includes the XLS20 amendment to extend the functionality of NFT in XRPL and improve performance to improve network stability. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. First publicly introduced last May, XLS20 is a standard proposed to improve NFT support in the XRP registry, XRPL. XLS20 provides developers with access to basic NFT functions such as creation, trading and burning. Along with the operations of transferring and storing these tokens, other advanced features are also built into the offer, such as automatic royalties, which provide more complex structures of royalties for creators, and joint ownership of assets. The expansion of NFT functionality in XRPL is likely to lead to a significant increase in transaction volume. RippleX developers stated that Ripple validators are set to vote against the XLS20 amendment until they are sure of understanding the impact of NFT on the main XRP ledger network. Thorough performance testing is currently underway to assess the impact of the additional transaction load on XRPL and eliminate potential bottlenecks. The team announced that they will share the results with the community after completion. XRPL is a publicly available decentralized blockchain, and the proposed amendments to the network require 80% of validators to vote for the amendment before the new code can be implemented into the main network. Although Ripple validators will vote against the XLS20 amendment for now, RippleX engineers have meanwhile proposed it in order to present it to the community and allow developers to test NFT functionality and ensure smooth user experience in the long term by reducing the likelihood of merge conflicts later. A number of performance improvements were included in XRPL 1.9, including reduced memory usage for pathfinding, optimized trust line caching, and increased network efficiency and stability. Improvements were also presented in the logic of registry fetching, lock unloading, and limited lock-free programming capabilities. The features in this latest release are offered and managed by XRPL server operators, demonstrating a shared commitment to improving XRPL performance and innovation. We remain committed to developing best-in-class features, tools, and open protocols that help developers scale and create value based on the XRP ledger. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, continues its efforts to protect internal documents related to the speech of former Director of Corporate Finance of the agency William Hinman on June 14, 2018. Recall that on April 12, Judge Sarah Netburn rejected the Securities and Exchange Commission's request for a partial revision of the January 2022 ruling. Judge Netburn, in her ruling this month, ordered the SEC to turn over Hinman's emails to Ripple, while the securities agency was given 14 days to file an objection to the verdict. The SEC also requested an additional 4-day extension to file a request for Judge Netburn's decision. The Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a new letter with the court claiming that attorney-client confidentiality protects internal documents related to Hinman's speech in 2018. #XRP community #SECGovV. #Ripple #XRP. The SEC has filed a letter motion asserting the attorney-client privilege in connection with the Hinman speech. According to the SEC, attorney-client privilege extends to Hinman's speech, since the documents reflect communication between Hinman and SEC lawyers. The confidential communication between Hinman and SEC lawyers was made in order to request and provide legal advice on an issue within the competence of the SEC, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission in its letter. Attorney-client privilege fully protects the speech reflecting the legal advice requested by Director Hinman, as well as lawyers of the financial and other departments of the corporation, the SEC concluded. Meanwhile, the SEC noted in the letter that it would use the order to edit 2 additional comments in some of its internal documents which, according to the Securities Commission, may concern other agencies. It is worth noting that the SEC in its previous petitions argued that Hinman's speech in 2018 reflects the personal point of view of the former CFO, and not the entire agency, and therefore cannot be used as a fact in the Ripple case. The changes in the case did not appeal to XRP enthusiasts, who turned to various social media platforms with a request to condemn the recent SEC approval. Meanwhile, the document is an important determining factor in the case that will confirm whether XRP is considered an SEC security or not. In light of the latest court ruling, the litigation between Ripple and the SEC may be completed earlier than expected. Judge Annalisa Torres reviewed the letter of summary judgment filed by both parties on April 22, 2022, and by her order changed the deadlines to shorten the process. This step was taken against the background of the tactics of procrastination used by the SEC in this case. Of course, Judge Torres has shortened the time to achieve a reasonable result here. The judge considering the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) lawsuit against Ripple has made an unexpected change to the schedule. James K. Phelan, a lawyer who is closely following the trial, says Judge Torres has changed the schedule of the case, which was previously planned to be postponed to 2023. Judge Torres changes the proposed calendar. Petitions to exclude expert testimony must be fully stated by August 30, 2022. Petitions for a summary judgment must be fully set out by November 15, 2022. According to lawyer and cryptography expert Jeremy Hogan, the schedule change indicates that Judge Torres would like the trial to be completed before Christmas. Oh, it's a nice surprise. Judge Torres, sua spont, fancy Latin meaning because she wants and can, move the schedule of the brief court session to November 15th. What do I get out of this? She wants Ripple's case against the SEC to be closed before Christmas. Last week, Phelan broke the news that Ripple and the SEC had agreed to postpone the opening summaries for summary judgment and expert assessments to August, and the final summaries to a few days before Christmas. Hogan commented at the time that the settlement was the worst-case scenario for a lawsuit, and that he had never seen a plaintiff in a case reject the justice he was seeking. However, Phelan said that Ripple's agreement to the postponement could benefit the company by allowing them to finally fix the date and avoid further rollbacks. Many are wondering why Ripple agreed to such a schedule. I feel there was a compromise. If Ripple had not agreed, there would have been more scheduling disputes, which, in my estimation, would have taken even longer, and Ripple would have lost this battle if guided by the past. Then the timetable would have moved to 2023. In my opinion, it was a very smart move on the part of Ripple to fix this chart. The live XRP price today is $0.88 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.